start our syllabus. Module number first, interview skills. In the interview skills, there are 6 sub chapters are there. First chapter is preparation for the interview. How will you going to prepare yourself for the interview? The second point is tips and hints of interview skills. What you will earn and how will you go to face interview. Then third, winning strategies of interview. What you do or what you do not. Then 4 is personal qualities. Personal qualities, manners, etiquettes, your body language, facial expressions, your vocabulary. These are personal qualities. Fifth, some types of question. Some types of question means closed questions, open questions and hypothetical questions. Closed questions means what is your name, your qualification is closed questions. Open questions means what is your hobbies, your interest. These are the open. And what is the hypothetical? Hypothetical question contains some situations are given by the interviewers and they ask you how will you go to solve this. Okay. The third point is how to answer some challenging questions. In this 6 number point, we will go to study frequently asked question and how will you prepare your answers for these frequently asked questions. Okay. So today we will start our first topic from the first module, interview skills. Dear students, we have probably seen and heard interviews of eminent people on television, radio and also on YouTube apps. They are generally leaders, politicians, film stars, sports stars, writers and industrialists. In this module, we are going to study about the job interview. What is the meaning of job interview? Job interview means an interview in which conversations occurs between employer and employee. The employer is called interviewer who takes interview and who is the candidate called is interviewee who is going to answer the question. Okay. In the interview process, there are 2 persons are very much important. One is interviewer who asks the question to the candidate and the interviewee means a person who answer the question of interviewer. Okay. Then we will study aims of interview. Why employer or interviewer ask the question to the interviewee or candidate? They want to evaluate whether the applicant, whether the candidate is suitable for the job or not. The second aim of interviewer are to judge the aptitude and attitude of candidate. His attitude and aptitude is very much important and plays very much important role in the job. The third aim of interview is to give an opportunity to put forth one's capabilities before the interviewers. Means what? The employee or interviewee has capability to do the some job, but how he can present his qualities, his attitude in front of the interviewer? By answering the questions. The fourth and last aim of the interview is to judge your sense of values, attitude towards your work. These are the main aims of interview. Then comes toward the next point, preparation for the interview. When you saw the advertisement, then there is the start the process of interview. When you saw the advertisement in the newspaper, on the website, or through the social media, then there is starts of interview process. First is you have to observe particular advertisement. When you saw the advertisement, then you go through the application letter. You have to apply for the particular post, for the particular job, through the email or through the letter. Then the employer or the interviewer or the company or the institute or the organization gives you interview letter. They dispatch the email to the applicant in the form of interview letter. So you have to take a note, you have to take a note exact date, day, time and venue of the interview. You have to, how you prepare for the interview? The first thing you have to note down day, date, time and venue of interview. Then first you have to prepare your resume. After preparation of resume means CV, means curriculum vitae or biodata, you have to read it carefully. Then take additional copies of your biodata. Then check your original certificates and other testimonial. Arrange it in chronological order in the descent folder or a file. These are the basic preparation for the interview. I think you must doubt about the word testimonial. What is the meaning of testimonial? The testimonial means the eminent personality who is able to give you reference about your attitude and aptitude. Means suppose that you are going to interview for the job as a marketing assistant and your basic qualification is BSc computer. Then who gives you testimonial? Your HOD, your subject expert will give you testimonial. He know about your personality, about your subject knowledge, your qualities. So this person is known as testimonial. Okay, then go forward. How will you prepare for interview in the form of dress up? How you select your dress? Dress must be clean, well pressed, well ironed dress. Avoid as far as possible gaudy, extremely bright colored and fashionable clothes. Don't use dark color, red, dark blue or fluorescent color. Use faint colors. Faint colors in the form of white, light pink, light blue. Okay? Don't use fashionable clothes, ethnics for the interview. If you are a boy, then wear formal shirt, formal pant and well polished shoes with socks. If you are a girl, then use kurta pajama with light color or use shirt and pant with light color. If you are select white color or faint pink color, faint blue color for the shirt, then wear dark color blue black pant in the formal. You have to polish your shoes with socks. Part your hairs. If you are a boy, don't color the hairs. You have to cut your hairs formally. If you are a girl, don't lose your hairs. You have to tie your hairs and then go to face interview. Use formal accessories. Don't be look dandy at the time of interview. You have to use formal accessories in the form of, if you are a boy, use formal watch, and if you are a girl, use tiny earrings with small chain, or you are comfortable with the bangles or watch, wear it. Otherwise, no need of accessories. Okay, then what homework you have to do before going to face an interview? You have to visit company's website where you have to go for the interview. So before going to interview, you have to visit company's website and know about their vision, mission, strategy, products and finance. Because the employer want to know about that you are familiar with their organization or their company. Okay, then second homework is revise the basic required information about the job for which you have applied. Means what? Suppose that you are going to face an interview for the marketing representative, means MR, for the Cipla company. Then you have to know about the Cipla company is going to manufacturing tablets and syrups. Okay, you have to revise or collect basic requirement, basic information about the job for which you have applied. Okay, then revise other information you have collected about the job for which you have applied. Means other information means what? As suppose Cipla company is there, one of the pharmaceutical company. Other pharmaceutical companies in the race of marketing like Reddy's, other companies, you have to know about the referential information also. The fourth, have a quick glance on other information you have about the organization. Means what? the organization in which you have applied, whether it is government office, whether it is private industry, multinational company, or a bank, or a teaching institute, research institute, you have to collect it basic infrastructure, basic monopoly, or basic organization of the that company. Okay, then last homework is go through the mock interview. What is the mock interview? You have to consider that you are going to face an interview, so you have to prepare yourself by asking ourselves some basic questions like introduce yourself. This is enough for today. Thank you. Tomorrow, our next video, we go through the second point, few tips and hints of interview winning skills.